everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary. Mary's Happening Stamping. And today there's Card Thursday, and I just wanted to show you a quick card made with scraps of designer series paper. Now we all know that a lot of the designer series paper comes in 6x6 packs. This is the new 2020-22 in color 6x6 designer series paper stack. And we know we cut it up to use it on our cards. And how we cut it is we usually cut it 4 by 5 1/4, so it goes on a full-size card. So, you know, you cut it by 4 inches, and that leaves you a 2 by 6 inch piece. And let's bring you up a little more. Okay, there you go. And then we usually cut 5 1/4, and so we got a 4 by a 3 1/4 inch piece. Now I've shown you last week how to do this with the 4 by 3 1/4. This week I want to show you what to do with these 2 by 6 inch strips. Okay, so what we're going to need is I'm going to be using Lovely You stamp set, and I'm going to be using the Just Because stamp. I am also using our Memento black ink. I am using a piece of Bumblebee, 8.5 by 5.5, and also I'm going to be using probably either Magenta Madness, Just Jade, or Bumblebee scrap. I've already cut some of these out, or you could use Whisper White. I just cut my scraps up and use them as labels. What else we're going to be using is we're going to be using stamping dimensionals and glue dots, and of course we're going to be looking at the 6x6 designer series paper, plus we're going to be using our Stampin' Trimmer. Okay, so I've got a bunch of these, and they're 2x6, so they're a little long for the cardstock for your average card, but we can cut them down. So I'm going to take these 2. I'm going to take Misty Moonlight, and Magenta Madness. And what I'm going to do is I am going to cut them with just at 5 1/4. So that'll leave me a 2 by 3 1/4 inch pieces too. Now usually I would throw these away because you really can't do much with them, but just wait, I will show you what you can do with them. So I folded my Bumblebee, and I'm just now going to just attach these 2 pieces to the card front. Okay? Just with mini glue dots. Just going to attach them. Okay, just like this, and then I'm going to attach this one. And just put that one, because this is 4 inches, so you got the card front, you know, 5 1/4 by 4 inches is usually a good layer for the card front. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to take these 2, because they're perfect straight across, they're 2 inches, so they're good, and I'm going to alternate them. I'm going to put one, I'm going to put the Magenta Madness on the Misty Moonlight, about halfway, And then I'm going to put the Misty Moonlight on the Magenta Madness. Just like that. Okay. Then, let's see. Oh, yeah, let's go with the Bumblebee. I am just going to take my stamp and my Memento black, and I'm going to stamp this. Now this is, I believe it's, what is it? I can't remember the name of the, I gotta put the name on my, Timeless Label, I think it is. Now I'm just going to put a couple pieces of Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. There we go. And then I'm just going to put that right in the middle, just like that. And there you got a cute card. Let's bring this down so you can see it a little bit better. You got a cute little card. Right, like there we go. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this is down below, and I really would appreciate your business if you like my videos, so I can continue as a small business. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.